Open the login page. Enter the email or username registered with Dook. Type your password carefully. After entering your details, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your agent dashboard, where you can manage bookings, check packages, and access other services. Within your agent dashboard, locate and click on the Payments tab to access payment-related options. After successful payment, a confirmation receipt will be generated. You can download or print this for your records.